My name is RN Reddy. So today we are going to start Python course. So let me explain about this course. And before giving brief introduction about the course, let me tell you a few things. Let me introduce myself. My name is RN Reddy. I have around 17 years of experience in IT industry. In 5 years, I worked with a company called Wipro. Last 12 years, I'm into teaching. In this 12 years period, I was given around 150 batches of .NET, Python, and C, couple of C batches also. So teaching is my passion. Around 30,000 students I have trained in this period of 12 years, and around 20,000 plus students got opportunities as per my knowledge. Now, now this is about a brief introduction about myself, and coming to this course. Now you're going to learn a programming language called Python. This course will be divided into two parts. Part one is core Python. So it will have around 20 sessions. 20 sessions in Python. First, who can learn Python? Who can? And that means what I'm telling you, which like qualification students can learn this Python language. Any idea? Any idea? So can you tell me who can learn, who can understand this Python? As per your knowledge, you please give me. BTech completed students, BTech CSC students, MCA, or BTech first year, BTech second year. Come on, tell me. Who can learn Python? First, respond. From which class? Okay, as per my knowledge, what I'm telling you, 6th class student onwards can learn this programming language called Python. 6th class student onwards can learn this Python. Now, next question, next point is, so Python is nothing but programming. Python is nothing but programming. So programming is one of the most important thing in IT industry. Okay. So my question is programming is easy or not easy? What is your answer? As per your knowledge, you just give me answer. Programming is easy or not easy? What is your answer? Come and respond in chat window. As per your feeling, whatever you have, it's a difficult thing or easy, dead easy, very easy, not easy. Somewhat I'm scaring, sir, about coding programming. Please hard, and I'll do by heart of my coding in my academic. I cannot write programs. Yeah. For this, I want to ask you one question. How many are scaring about coding? How many are scaring about programming? Just respond. How many are scaring about programming? Come on, respond, all of you guys. I'm scaring. No, I'm not scaring like that. Respond in chat window. Your response will give you a lot of motivation to faculty. I'm scaring. In my first year of C, I was unable to write a single line of code, sir. I was scaring. My point is, as per your knowledge, are you scared or not scared? That's it. I'm scaring. I'm not scaring. That's it. Fast. Respond. Your response is most important. When you are in the session, if you are sitting idle, means it's waste to attend the class. You have to respond in chat window. Come on, guys, fast. Right. So my question to all the people, my point to be understand is not required to scare. Not required to scare. As per my knowledge, programming is very, very easy. With this training, I'll make you masters in coding. Masters in coding, I'm sure. Are you clear? After my promises, after my 20 classes, you all the people will say, I like programming. I like programming. After my 2 months course, you will all say, I love coding. I love coding. That's it. I'm giving a promise to all the students who are attending my class. I don't know about your background, whether you are from BTech first year or BTech second year, or you are from computer science, or you are from civil background. But I'm giving a promise, whether you are from a BCom background, whether you are an 8th class student also, I'm telling you, I will make you to get this field end of this course. It's my promise to all the students who are attending this class. In between, even though you have exams, your academic exams, but don't skip the class. Just give me this 20 days of core Python and 2 months of advanced Python, total together Python. I will make you masters in programming. Once you get feel of coding is very easy, you can rock in this IT industry. So there's a reason, whatever background you have, but don't skip the class. I hope you understood what I said. Are you clear, all of you guys? Shall we start the class? Yes. Question to all the people. What is Python? What is Python? Come on, all of you guys, as at the time of class is going on, simultaneously you record the notes. What is Python? What is Python? Come on, you tell me. What is Python? What is your answer? For my question, immediately you have to respond in chat window. Come on, fast. What is Python? Right. Python is a, simultaneously record the notes. Python is a programming language. Python is a programming language. Right. So, what do you say? Python is a programming language. Yes. Next question. Next question. What are the, next question is, who has introduced Python? Who has introduced Python? Come on, who has introduced Python? Who is that person? Guido van Rossum. In the year, the person name who has introduced this language, the person name is Guido van Rossum, in the year 1989, from a country called Netherlands. Is from which country? Netherlands. He was introduced this language in the year 1989. So, Guido van Rossum. Are you clear? Right. So next, what are the prerequisites you required to learn Python? What are the prerequisites you required to learn Python? To learn Python, what are the prerequisites you required? Can you tell me? Do you require C language knowledge, or C++ knowledge, or Java knowledge, or .NET knowledge? What is your answer for this question? Nothing. Nothing. Doesn't require anything. Only two things you require. Number one is interest. Number two is common sense. If you have these two, you can learn Python easily. Right. Okay. Next question. Why are you recording notes? All of you simultaneously, it's my notes. Whatever I'm writing in notepad is my notes, running notes. You have to record for your preparation. It will be useful for you. Are you recording, all of you? Fast. Right. Next. Why Python is so popular? Why Python is so popular in IT industry? Why Python is so popular in IT industry? So nowadays, wherever you go, everybody are talking about Python. Worldwide in software industry, most popular programming language is Python. What is the reason behind this? Anyone can tell? What is the reason? Right. Yeah. Reason is, Python is using in multiple areas like below. The language called Python is using multiple areas. Do you have any idea what are the areas the people are using this language? Any idea? What are the areas the people are using this language? Any idea? Come on, tell me. It's using in data science, It's using in data science. Number two, it is using in data analytics. It is using in data analytics. It is using in different places. Can you tell me what are the different places? First, data science, data analytics. Next, machine learning. It's using in different places. Machine learning. Number four, it's using in, come on, machine learning, artificial intelligence, It's using in, come on, tell me, AWS. It's using in DevOps. It's using in web application development, web application development. It's using in mobile application development. It's using in robotics. It's using in testing. It's using in IoT, Internet of Things, IoT, and so on, and so on. So finally, you can see in so many areas, like when a data science person, data analytics person, machine learning person, testing person, all these people are using this language. So that means when you have, are you clear? So many places, not only these. What is the point to be understand is in all these areas, in all these platforms, they are using a common programming language called Python to write the logic, to write the program, to write the logic they are using. So can you repeat where are we are? So if any spelling mistake is there, leave it. Don't mention it. First area, what is the first one? Data science. Second one, data analytics. Third one, you type in chat window. Third, you type machine learning. Four, artificial intelligence. Fifth one, AWS. AWS means Amazon Web Services. Sixth one, DevOps. Seventh one, web application development. Eighth one, mobile application development. Ninth one, robotics. 10th one, testing. 11th one, IoT, Internet of Things, and so on. Like this, in multiple areas, people are using this language. So that is the reason suddenly this language became very popular in industry last 5 to 6 years. Suddenly, a lot of craze came to this language. Understood? I hope you are clear. A data scientist will use Python. AWS person will use Python. A robotics programmer will use Python. So these are all the areas we are using this language. That's why this language has become so popular in IT industry. Right. Now come back to our discussion. So that is the reason. Immediately I have another question. Why Python is using these many areas? Why Python is using these many platforms, these many areas? Can you tell me the reason? Because of below features of Python. Because of below features of Python. Especially for freshers, I'm telling you, if you will follow my class, whenever you are attending tomorrow any MNC interview, in your campus interviews or off campus, proudly you can tell to the interviewer which language you know. You can say, I'm masters in Python. Then he will not trust you that you are good in Python. When he will ask 10, 15, 20 questions, one question also you don't require to miss. Every question you answer. With my Python, that BTech student, features of Python. Let's try to understand the features of Python. Right. Whenever you are learning a language, any programming language you are learning, try to understand before we are entering into coding part, we will try to understand the minimum features of the Python. Nobody can learn all the features on one day, but we'll see 7 to 8 or 9 or 10 features. Right. The first feature of the Python is Python is, it is very easy programming language. It is very easy programming language. Very, very easy programming language. Compared with other languages like Java and C# .NET, like .NET language, it's a very, very, very easy language. Okay, so example one for to prove this. Example one. Whenever you will write single line code, whenever you write single line code, don't leave the class before I say you should write within main method. You should write within main method. That main method should be part of one class, like below. Java or C# code I'm giving you now. Now I'm giving you. You want to write single line. See, the code will be like this. Class program, one class name. Class program. And here you are writing a method. Here you will have a method. Static void string. Yes, string args subscription operator. You will have like this. You don't require to understand all these things. You can see here we write that one line code. And to write one line code also you require this much hangama in case of Java or C#. But whereas here, what is class, sir? What is main method, sir? All these things will come in future. But if you know somewhat Java or C or C#, you can understand here this line is very easy. Right? Understood, all of you. But whereas in Python, if we want to write, one line code or multiple lines code, you don't require any class or main method. Directly you can write. So I am going to show you now Python code here. Directly you can write. This here I am writing Python code. I want to print something. Simple. Print of hello. Print of hello. Print is a function statement like printf in C language, which will print the given value. It is a statement in a Python language. Right. So now there is no main method. I will show you. I am opening right now Python programming environment to show this line, how it is executing. To open Python programming environment, you have to install Python IDE into your machine. How to install Python software? It is a 5 minutes process. My team will share you the Python installation document by today end of the class. So all of you guys just follow that step-by-step document, Python installation document. Within 5 minutes, you can install Python software. Meanwhile, you can write Python program in your system also. For that, just I'm asking you, go to Play Store, in your mobile also. You can write Python program in mobile. Go to Play Store, download in your mobile, download Decoder app. Download Decoder app. Decoder app is a programming app in mobiles. You can use programming mobile app, which you can use to write the programming by using any programming language like C to Java. Right. So download this mobile app in your mobiles. All of you come and do it. This environment, start button, click, and it is opening a menu. This menu is called programs menu. That means whatever programs are installed in our computer will be listed out in this menu. Similarly, in my machine already I have installed Python software. So Python IDE, Python software will be available here. Scroll like this till you reach P. When you reach P here, you can observe a folder called Python 3.7 folder. Here you can observe this Python. Expand that folder. expand that folder, Python folder. And now you see here you can observe IDLE Python. IDLE, this is a Python icon development environment. IDLE means integration development environment. Any software programming platform you will have in .NET or Java, you will have IDE under L is silent, IDE, L is integrating development environment means this environment we use to develop. That's why development environment. You click on this. Whenever you see this icon symbols, it is Python file. Remember forever in your life. Now I'm again opening Start Programs menu. Here you can observe Python IDE. Just open. Click this. Now it's open Python coding environment, programming environment, development environment. Now here you don't have any main method. You don't have any class. Directly I'm writing statement. You can observe print hello. Same code you can write in your mobile phone in your that app, decoder app. How many are able to see the decoder app in your mobile? Come on, respond in chat with all of you guys. I hate the people who are not responding in class. You have to respond when you are in the session. That is your minimum responsibility. Come on, respond in chat, all of you. Downloaded or not? Downloaded or not? App downloaded. Right. Now you can see print hello. Just I'm pressing enter. It's giving hello. It's giving hello. Now you write this print in your mobile app. Come on, decoder app and see the output fast. Write any class. You didn't write any main method. Simply you written the one line code. This is the first example to tell you. Example 2 to tell here it's saying it's proving that Python is very easy programming language. The next example which I want to tell you here is in core Python we'll see complete logics. In advanced Python we'll see complete advanced level concepts of the programming language called Python, oops, exception handling and so on. Example 2. Right, you see, when we are declaring a variable in Java or C#.NET, we use data type and semicolon. Like semicolon, like int a equal to 10. You can see here int is here you declared a variable called a. A is a variable name. Int is what? Data type. 10 is what? Value. 10 will assign like this. 10 will assign like this. Okay. But here you can see you are declared data type here ending with what? Semicolon. Variable declaration is ending with what? Semicolon. But in Python, to declare variable, we don't require any data type and semicolon. Not required any data type. Now you are writing here, this is what you know here, it is C# or Java code. C# or Java code, but here it is what code? Python code. Python code. What is this? A equal to 10, nothing else. A equal to 10. Print of A. Print of A. Print of A. You can see print of A. That's it. It will print output is 10. But here you don't have any data type. You can observe there is no data type. There is no data type. There is no data type. Are you clear, all of you guys? Now, same thing I'll show you in Python, and you can open Python programming environment in other way also. In taskbar, you can see Python IDE icon. You click this, it will open Python development environment. Now I'm writing A equal to 10. Print of A. Output is 10. Print of A. Are you clear? Understood the simple way. So it's you are avoiding the data types, you are avoiding the semicolon, making your programming is very lightweight. Lightweight. Okay, so this is a story about this are the these are the two examples I've explained here, how we can compare our Python with our other languages, how we can say that it's a very easy programming language. Now, next point is Python is case sensitive language. Case sensitive language. Python is a case sensitive language. For example, a equal to 10. Print of a. Print of a. Come on, write this line. Python is a case sensitive language. A equal to 10. Print of a. What is output? Error. Why? Because it is a case sensitive language that I'm going to show you. A equal to 10. So now you are getting a doubt that already we have declared yes, sir. Again, I'm clearing the complete window. I'm writing using A equal to 10. Print of capital A. It's giving an error. A, I don't know. A, name A, capital A is not defined. Is not defined. Are you clear, all of you guys? Understood? Understood. Next, third point is Python. If you take Java or C#.NET, we will have multiple numerical data types. Multiple numerical data types like int, long, etc. Multiple floating point data types like float, double, decimal. But whereas Python will have only one numerical data type. That is int. For example, come on. It will not have multiple numerical data types, only one numerical data type, one floating point data type. In this language, they have avoided multi-data types. You can observe. For example, I'm writing the code, you see. A equal to 10, that's it. You declared 10 is a numerical data. Then what is this? Yeah, you can see type of A, int. Type of A. Type of is a function which will return the data type. What is the data type? A is what? It's saying int. So you have a doubt. 1000 big data have given. Type of B. Numerical data, na, so it will give you int only. We have only one numerical data type, as well as we have only one floating point data type. One floating point data type. That is, what is that? We'll see. Floating point. Float or double R? Can you guess? Float or double R? Can you guess? Can you guess? Can you guess? Can you guess? All WhatsApp groups are full. Right? Team, create some more groups. Students are telling all WhatsApp groups are full. Don't join in multiple groups, boss. Join in only one group. A equal to 10.5. 10.5 is floating point data type. The type of A, you see, float. Type of A is float. B equal to, you see, I'm giving some floating point data like this. Type of B, float. Type of B, float. That is output is class float. Okay, right. Come on, right? Record all of you fast. Record. Okay, output is, this is example one. Now this is example 2. Right. Output fast, all of you. Right. 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 Everybody are clear. So with this, we can say finally we can identify one important thing here. It is having only very less number of data types in this language. Okay, so that it is very easy for the programmer when he is writing the program, whether what data type I should. First of all, you don't require to declare. And fourth point is fourth feature. Fourth feature is 2, 3, 4. Yes, Python is a cross-platform programming language. Can you tell me what it means? Python is a cross-platform programming language. Can you tell me what is it first? Python is a cross-platform programming language. Can you tell me what is it? Python application. Come on, fast respond. What it means? Python application. Python application will work on all operating systems. Python application will work on all operating systems. It will work on all operating systems. To take Windows, Linux, any operating system, it will, because it's a cross-platform programming language. The fifth feature for today, it is the last feature which I'm going to discuss. Python is a open source programming language. Open source. That means we can download Python for free of cost from below websites. That is www.python.org. Below website. Right. Python is an open source programming language. That means we can download Python for free of cost from below website. Now I'm opening the website. You observe, I'm opening a new tab. Here you can see, and www.python.org. This is a website, official website, where you can get the Python software. Right. So how, right. Are you clear, all of you guys? For your questions, we are going to create one email ID. You can post your queries there. Our team will respond for your questions. Not in live class, not possible. Right. Now that is the story. Python is an open source programming language. That means we can download Python software for free of cost from below website. So these are all the main 5 features. Remaining 3 or 5 are we'll discuss tomorrow. For today, this is the topic which we are discussing. Let me repeat the session, what we have seen. Right. Come on, guys, what exactly it is. First question, what is Python? Python is a programming language. Second, who has introduced to Python? Guido van Rossum in the year 1989. He is from Netherlands. What are the prerequisites you require to learn Python? Nothing, you don't require anything. Generally, most of the people will say, do you require C language? Not required. Any programming background? Not required. Now coming to why Python is so popular in industry. Python is using in multiple areas like below: data science, data analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, AWS, DevOps, web application development, and mobile application development, robotics. So yeah, and testing, IoT, and so on. Why Python is using these many areas? Because of the below good features of Python. One, we are discussing at features of Python. First feature is it's a very easy programming language. Whenever you will write a single line code in Java or C#.NET, you should write within main method, and main method should be part of one class like below. Here I'm showing the code snippet of the Java or C#. You have to define a class and you have to define main method. So here coming to program is the class name, class is a keyword, main is the method name, static and void are keywords. This part is called signature. String is the data type. Args is a parameter. Subscription operator it is called. This is called block. About this we'll discuss in future very clearly. And coming to, but whereas in Python, if you want to write one line code or multiple lines code, you don't require any class or main method. Directly you can write. Here I have given Python code that is print hello. That's it. Here it will give you the output as, I'm sorry, I forgot to write hello. And example 2, when we are declaring a variable in C#.NET or Java, we use data type and a semicolon. Like C# Java code, int is the data type, variable name and value and semicolon. But in Python, to declare a variable, we don't require any data type and semicolon. Here we have written Python code a equal to 10, no semicolon, print of a, output is 10. Python is a case-sensitive language. For example, a equal to 10, print of a. So it's giving error. Why? Because here you declared small a, but you are trying to print capital A. Immediately Python interpreter will say that who is this capital A? I know only small a because it is a case-sensitive language. The third point to be understand, if you take Java or C#.NET, we'll have multiple numerical data types like int, long, and so on. Multiple floating point data types like float, double, decimal. But whereas Python will have only one numerical data type, that is what int. For example, a equal to 10 type of a, and type of a, then it will show you that it is output is what int. So here you have to understand one important point. It is int data type. Only int you have. When you assign b equal to, even though this much value, it is also saying int, because we have only one. Whether you enter 10 or you kept 10,000, 10 lakhs, but it's a numerical data, means int only. As well as we have only one floating point data type, that is a equal to 10.5 type of a. So here class float. So it's showing that your a is not numerical, it is floating point data type. So here, even though you have a big value, also it's saying it's float only. Next, fourth feature we discussed is Python is a cross-platform programming language. Python application will work on all operating systems. And Python is an open source programming language. That means we can download Python software for free of cost from like below website. That is www.python.org. These are all the main features of the Python. It's a programming language, nothing but it's a scripting language. You can call it as a scripting language or programming language. So that is the story. Right. I hope you understood what I said. This is about today class. Tomorrow we'll see the remaining features almost. Right. So yeah, you see all my videos. Are you clear? And you have reviews, comments, positive comments, negative comments, everything will be there. Right. Okay, this is about today introduction class. I hope you are enjoyed the session. I don't know. When you are joined in Core Python, if you will attend only Core Python, also will give you certificate. If you joined Advanced Python, will give you the full Python language learned certificate. Okay, you can get a certificate of this course. Core Python will be the free course. Advanced Python will be paid. It will start Monday. For Advanced Python, I'll give you only 100 admissions. Right now, we are around 900 students. But in Advanced Python, for paid course, you'll have interaction session. It is not possible like